Hey guys, this is Max with RC Window Films. Today we're on a Kaiser Permanente project. So Kaiser Permanente was looking for a way to reduce the energy load on their HVAC system. They chose to go with a silver window film that's applied on the exterior of the glass. This particular window film blocks off 99.9% of the UV. It reduces glare by 84%, and most interestingly, for facility managers and building owners, they want to reduce the cost of electricity. For this particular project, it actually reduced the energy load on the HVAC system, as well as gave them a $200,000 savings across the period of 7 years, which is the warranty period itself. So if you're looking for the lowest hanging fruit in terms of energy savings for your building, exterior window film is the way to go.